you reset your maintenance required light, or if you change your oil and you need to reset your light. And the one I'm talking about is right there, this one right there. So to do it, all you gotta do is press and hold this button right here. While you press and holding that, you gotta turn your key this way, like this. 1, 2. So while you pressing and holding this button, you press, hold. Now you turn your key 1, 2, and you see that light lights up. It stays on for a few seconds. Now it's off. Take your finger off, and there you go. That's how you reset it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Comment below if you have any other questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.